Setting Master kit is easy to store and handle. Attach the setting block needs to be positioned to flat surface and secure the thumb screw. Place against the old windshield and clamp down with locking pliers. Now this is set up so a guy can set from the driver's side. If you're going to set from the passenger side, just simply move the setting block plate to the driver's side. Glide block is set up exactly like the setting block. Just place it against the windshield before it's removed. Lock it down with the locking pliers. Now it's very important to have both of them set against the windshield. This will ensure an accurate set when you're installing the new windshield. So far this has been less than a minute to set up. It's very important that both the setting block and the glide block is resting against the old windshield. Setting Master is designed to help you remove the old windshield. Now you notice I've got a little bit of urethane stuck on the edge, but it's still very convenient. It would have been very hard doing it without the glide block. To place the vacuum cup that keeps the top of the windshield from urethane while installed, clean the windshield and the cup. Pump the vacuum cup until the red line disappears on the plunger. This unique design plus the setting block will keep the windshield from urethane until you're ready. It will keep the urethane undisturbed and it will have a better seal when you install it. Now it's time to rotate the setting block to windshield rest over the urethane. Secure the thumb screw. Make sure the thumb screw is tight. You notice that you can adjust it up and down to the height that's needed to clear the urethane so the urethane will not get disturbed. Just set the edge on the glide block. Glide it over to the setting block. It's pretty easy. At this particular windshield, I'm 66 years old. If a 66-year-old can set a full-size Dodge 4x4 by himself, it's pretty impressive. Now notice that I've lifted off the glide block and I'm resting against the glide block as I'm setting the top. You'll see the gap on the passenger side nice and even away from the urethane. Remember, we rotated the setting rest over the urethane. Now it's time to rotate the setting rest back to a setting block. Now this is not very easy to see, so I'm showing you on a different vehicle so you can see exactly what I was doing. I just unloosened the screw, rotated the block back to the flat side and set the windshield against it. When you're ready, just simply remove the urethane protection cup from the top and let the windshield sit down. Notice I'm not rushing to tape it because I don't need to. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Look how even that gap is. Without dry setting or measuring how easy it was, the setting block and the glide block is set against the old windshield will hold in place until you're ready to tape it.